Hi folks, welcome to Custom Academy. Today we are going to discuss some problems which were discussed, some formulas were discussed in the previous class. The formulas were E equals to 2G into 1 plus mu, E equals to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu, E equals to 9kg by 3K plus G. These are three formulas which were related to E. And now we will discussing about first question. First one is Young's modulus of elasticity and Poisson's ratio of materials are 1.2 into 10 power 5 megapascals and 0.34 respectively. Respectively means first value related to elasticity and second value related to Poisson's ratio. This is the meaning of respectively. And the modulus of rigidity of the material. Here they are asking G. Modulus of rigidity is denoted by G and elasticity is denoted by E. Poisson's ratio is denoted by mu. Here we have three formulas which were related with E, G and mu. Is first formula E equals to 2G into 1 plus mu. Here E is given as 1.2 into 10 power 5 megapascals. Okay, keep it as that. And 2 into the required G. G is modulus of rigidity. G and 1 plus mu is Poisson's ratio, which is 0.34. Here G equals to 1.2 into 10 power 5 divided by 2 into 1 plus 0.34. This is 1.2 into 10 power 5 divided by 2 into 1.34. Here we will be getting a value as approximate value. For the competitive examination we should check the options with the approximate value. Here 2 into 0.6 it will be going, and you see you will be getting a nearest value as 0.5 as a nearest value. You see 0.5, there is a two values. First one is A option 0.4025 and the second option is 0.4477. Here it is nearer to 0.5 but not greater than the 0.5. Here we should take as C, D as the answer, because by solving this we will be getting the value of 0.4477 into 10 power 5. You can solve and check also. It is the nearest value, you will be getting exact answer. Second question is the Poisson's ratio of a material which has Young's modulus of 120 gigapascal and shear modulus of 50 gigapascal. Here this question is related to E, G and mu. Here E equals to 2G into 1 plus mu. Here E is 120 gigapascals. Young's modulus is given as 120 and 2 into G. G is nothing but shear modulus, which is 50 and 1 plus mu. Here we can, by cancelling, we will be getting as 1.2 1 plus mu. 1.2 is equals to 1 plus mu. Here mu equals to 0.2. You can see this. 5 to 10 and 12 divided by 10, 1.2. This is the final answer. The next question is the value of Poisson's ratio for which bulk modulus of a material will be equal to its Young's modulus. Bulk modulus K and Young's modulus E, Poisson's ratio mu. Here E equals to K is given. Here we know from the previous class, we know the formula E equals to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. Here E and K are both are equal. Here let us see, by cancelling E and K both are equal, and 1 equals to 3 into 1 minus 2 mu is equals to, here into will be divided by 1 minus 2 mu. Here minus plus will be becoming minus 2 mu is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3. This is equals to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, 2 mu. Here mu is equals to 2 to cancel, 1 by 3. The solution for this problem, where bulk modulus and Young's modulus are both are equal, we will be getting as Poisson's ratio 1 by third. The next highest possible value of Poisson's ratio for isotropic material. I told in the previous class there are different material have different Poisson's ratio. The highest possible value for a Poisson's ratio is 0.5.